Creating and managing purchase orders in Fergus is quick and effortless, helping you stay on top of your POs for every job. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the job card for the job you're working on. Click on the Purchase Orders tab in the centre of the job card. On the right-hand side, you'll see a button labelled Add New Purchase Order. Click it to get started. Here's what you'll need to complete. Supplier. Specify who the order is for. Order type. Choose between pickup, delivery, or price. Note, if you're using a supplier integration, this option won't appear. If you've chosen delivery, make sure you check that the delivery address is correct on the right-hand side. Order number. Fergus will generate this for you automatically, but you can enter your own if needed. Contact date and time and notes and delivery instructions. These fields are optional and allow you to include additional details your supplier may need. Next, you'll add the items you're ordering. If the job has a quote, you can save time by importing items directly from it. Click Import from Quote and select the sections you want to include. For any items you don't need, simply click the X next to them to remove them. If you're working on a charge-up job or need to order only a few additional items, you can manually add them instead. Use the Add a Line Item box to search your supplier's price book, if uploaded, or type the item name and press Enter to add custom details. Once your purchase order is complete, click Email to send it directly to your supplier. And another handy tip while we're here, save time by adding your supplier contact emails in Fergus under Price Book settings. This allows the email field to autofill when sending POs to suppliers. Check out our guide for detailed instructions on setting this up. After emailing, you'll be asked if you want to create an invoice to come. This step is optional and means that Fergus will automatically add this order to your Supplier Documents tab on this job as an invoice to come. Once you receive the invoice for this order, you can mark this invoice as received to keep on top of your purchases. And that's it! You're now ready to create and send purchase orders with ease in Fergus.